Yeah, it's your boy, Shot-Made Trick, nigga.
Okay. F-A-D-E-D, I'm faded. Turn this bitch up on me, get this bitch shaking. Feel like I already made it. Got one chance in your ass, better take it. I never play with a bitch hard. I'm the type to go get me a hammer and break it. Oops, man, excuse my language. I hate when a bitch try to tell me I ain't shit.
What's up, boy? Y'all know what time it is. It's Shot-Made Trick, and as y'all can tell by the title, we getting into a prank video. Well, it ain't really a prank, but it's a prank, if you get what I'm saying. Oh, so look, I'm finna grab my homies because they so scared of Oblock. Yes, Oblock. They are so scared of Oblock. So what I'm finna do is I'm finna get in my car. I told them we all going to Orland Mall. Told them we going to Orland Mall. So what's really finna happen is we finna go to Oblock. I'm finna act like my car broke down right in front of Oblock. Without further ado, let's get to this video. Yes, go!
Warning, this is not just any hood. Don't go around thinking you can make videos. If you're not from there, don't go there. Viewer discretion is advised.
What we doing, Charles?
Yeah, I don't know.
I just told you, dumbass.
We're going to Orland Park Mall. That's what we going.
And what we doing?
I don't know.
This nigga is fucking stupid. I should have picked Corbin up first so we can remember this shit.
And then he tell us.
I told you. I just told you.
Nigga, he told us we're going to Orland Park.
Corbin shit this way, right?
He said to us.
Oh, shit. Damn, Charles, damn! My boy Corwin! Corwin! Charles gotta get back. Bro, I ain't nigga with him back in the front game. I ain't gonna let this bitch
your
not
shit
drop.
turning right. Damn. You turn this bitch.
The nutrition. Damn, bullshit.
Let Charles get in the front. Charles.
Run the red light. No, I ain't. I'm trying to fucking turn. Damn. Hey, oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Hey, some gotta give. Hey, no, some gotta give. The car,
Hey, the speedboat, hold on.
The car is heavier. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
Charles, you gotta walk.
This bitch riding like it's on the flag.
Bro, he didn't tell me what we doing for. We going to, bro. We going to Orland Mall for. That's what we going.
Nah, we ain't gonna lie, we can't be going this speed in the motherfucking highway. Shit, it's
We
going
finna stay in the right lane the whole time.
You gonna have to.
I mean,
What the fuck you doing? Orland that way.
See, just that wrong turn shit. Let me get that scooter right there. I'll meet y'all.
Hey, I like that. You getting the fuck out the car. You're not pulling that bitch in there.
nobody getting out.
Hey, you're not pulling that bitch in there.
Show them where we at. Get out, Cole. Get out.
Hey, Charles, don't turn that bitch the wrong way.
I'm finna turn this motherfucker in there. Oh, they go to what? Alright, now I'm finna introduce them right now. Come on.
Yeah,
we going in, right? Oh, no bullshit, no bullshit.
What they said when they was in
Cole, get out! Get out! Get out, I'm not well, I'm finna park this motherfucker right here. That's the only entrance that you can get in.
Watch out, gang.
Nope.
Watch out, gang.
Everybody gotta get out.
Watch out.
My cousin. I ain't scared. I just know.
I'm a stick figure in this bitch. Watch
Don't worry
out.
about it. You get in right here. Hold on, I'm finna show you.
I'm just telling you right now, I know how to keep my mouth closed and just walk.
Nah, yeah, you can do that.
Hey, who y'all with, Trigger?
I'm finna, hey, folks have some shit.
So you say that motherfucker be right back at the car.
Yep, don't worry about it right here. Come on, you get in right here. Come on, Corey, get out. You so tough. Get your ass out.
Come on, Charles, get out.
Come on.
Charles,
Tell me to get out.
Get out.
Charles gonna shoot himself.
Get out, Corey.
Where can you go?
Corey, get out, gang. Get out. No, we not leaving till you get out, gang. I ain't gonna lie to you.
We just gonna sit right here, folks.
I'll leave it till you get out this bitch.
No shit been racing.
We not leaving till you get out this bitch. Hold on, no, G shit. Go check my tires. Go check my tires. Matter of fact, no, I want to see how it look with all y'all.
Get trolled. He trying to get out. So when I get out, you gonna pull off and leave it right here.
Gang on that.
He still
Look through there.
Push his ass out.
What? Stop playing.
Get your shit and shit on this last shot.
It look flat.
Like, it's good now.
You think I'm playing? I'm dead. They call you.
Oh, hey, man.
That's because
Fool, what the fuck? Bro,
I'm in the front, bitch.
bro, both of my shits like that. Fool, come on, fool. We gotta do some rearrangements. No bullshit. The heaviest gang. Y'all two the heaviest. Damn, y'all ain't gonna like Charles. Alright, I'm finna scoot my. Hold on, I'm finna scoot my seat up.
they say, Trigger's tomorrow we finna go in the O. Charles scared and shit.
scared.
Charles scared. We finna go in the Oblock. But look. Hey, how many likes you want on this video, bro? How many likes you want on this video? Man, look here. 1,000 likes for my next video, and I'm half folks them go in there and they gonna blame his ass. No, I'm just playing. 1,000 likes, we dropping another video. Hey, get out, man, damn. Your bitch ass out. Shit cave. For my shit, bro.
Your shit cave in.
He finna make me get a new tire. Go ahead, fool.
This shit cave in.
Right there? Shut up, bitch ass nigga. What? What? Folks not finna get out right here. Again, I ain't gonna lie to you. They finna get out right here. Let's tell them what cost
Ooh, should not start. It's safe, fool.
Damn, huh? Oh, let me see the game. Let me see if this shit decent right now. It's better than what it was.
Oh, hell no.
Come on,
No.
nah, gang.
No. Come on, bro. What you doing?
He tried to.
Bro, what the fuck? Bro, you see what the fuck just happened, nigga? You heard that shit?
He tried to
Get the bitch ass out.
Some gotta give, fool. We gotta get back. We gotta go back.
Bitch, I cannot drive the car.
Oh,
You
your
heard
shit
what you
burning.
just did.
Your shit burning. I'm saying. How we finna go to Orlando?
Who?
We go get this car?
I ain't got my car, so I already got it.
So what the?
Fool.
Well, I'm good.
We gotta go get Jay.
I don't know about y'all. I'm gonna say I don't know y'all live.
Shit, alright.
Shit.
So y'all can sit right here. Shit. I'm getting out. Shit.
Hey, come on, I ain't gonna.
So y'all wanna go in there?
No.
Come on. We can't just sit here.
Shit. I drive. Bro, put Charles back in the front, bro.
Yeah, get the fuck back out. Charles, get your ass back in the front.
Get in front, come on, man.
Come on, Charles.
Put it back in the same
Fuck you
shit.
scared to
Come
get
on,
out
Hurry up, fool.
Jay Sean, for let us drive your shit.
Charles, we finna have to go. Charles and I drive.
Fo, y'all keep playing. We stuck in front of Parkway Gardens.
Stop yelling, bro. What the fuck is you yelling for?
Cause I'm scared. I'm from sick.
Bro, you can pull off, bro.
Bro, no. Come on, we gotta get in. Gotta get in there. Somebody gotta go. Me and that motherfucker right there.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on, cuz.
I ain't gonna. I gotta turn the car. So what y'all wanna do?
Turn the car off, then.
Who finna send the car
Well,
on
your
this block?
shit, somebody finna take your shit. Your windows down.
Anybody go take it? Charles, you sit in the car.
Oh my god.
Hey, look.
Oh, you can park right here?
No. Go through there.
Go through that.
You can't go through that, bro. Bro, how the fuck you gonna tell me, bro? Come on. Psych ass. Come on, we good. Come on. Y'all good. Huh?
Nah.
Hell no. He told y'all better be doing no trolling, man. Folks, I'm scared. They finna dookie on themselves.
Hey, look, everybody finna shit on shit.
Going up then. Going up with your scary ass.
I'm not scared.
You is scared. Come on, let's go. Come on for y'all get y'all last spank. Y'all scary as hell. They see this, they ass get the shaking.
Who was actually shaking it?
Hey, Charles get the shit on this show. Hey, get me in. We finna leak over everything. Hell no. Hey, Cohen almost shit on this show. But my car did just get stuck for like, I ain't gonna lie, before y'all get out, for my shit was that just stuck right there, gang. Shit, not in this. We can't go nowhere in this shit. I ain't know it was gonna be like this. Shit, I carried my auntie big ass in the back before, but.
Little bro grade.
Bow.
Charles.
Nah, G shit. We gotta get in Charles shit or Jay Sean shit.
Two people gotta be in the Charles shit.
It's either we getting one of y'all shit or one of y'all ass going over there.
Bro, come on, bro.
Oh, you wanna go in there? Get out there.
No, I'm talking about you go get my shit.
You scary as hell, gang. I ain't gonna lie, Charles, you was a bitch.
Well, in my
No, I was just fucking with y'all though. I was just fucking with y'all. My shit never got stuck.
like you a lead driver, fool.
My shit never got stuck, gang.
Who not?
I know. I was looking at you the whole time. I'm like, this shit not stuck. It smell like ass.
Folk, I ain't gonna lie, y'all was scared. No, you and him was scared as he say. Hey, what he say? You playing the wrong motherfucking block, boy. I ain't gonna lie.
Trying to leave me right here, but I'm not calling Uma and shit.